Yes, sir, I'm on it.
The nuke was from Greenlight. Didn't tell us. What else are you hiding? Maybe I can knock the truth out of you.
You might want to rethink that, Woods.
Everybody stand down. This little pissing match isn't gonna help us catch Perseus.
Why didn't you tell us it was an American nuke?
He needed us to clean up his mess. The bastard's been lying to us all along.
It's not a lie. It's an omission of fact.
That's what you do best, isn't it, Hudson? Manipulate people. Tell them your own version of the truth.
There is no truth. Only who you choose to believe. Adler knows all about that. Don't you, Russ?
Operation Greenlight. What is it? Tell us everything.
Back in '58, the arms race was in full swing. Eisenhower was convinced if the Reds moved on Europe, we couldn't respond quick enough. So he authorized Operation Greenlight, top-secret program that placed nuclear bombs in every major European city. The ultimate countermeasure to a Soviet invasion. 74 of the bombs were upgraded to high-yield neutron bombs, capable of terminating personnel without damaging infrastructure.
Thousands dying in a flash. And you're talking about fucking infrastructure.
How's that for civilized? We kill the people but preserve the buildings.
We're trying to preserve our way of life.
How long have you known about the missing nuke?
One of the Greenlight nukes went offline 8 weeks ago. We suspected it was Perseus but couldn't confirm it. So we saw the photos you brought back from East Berlin.
So, there's an American-made nuke in the wild. And once Perseus detonates it, the United States becomes global enemy #1.
We wouldn't have this problem if you'd done your job. Killed Perseus in Vietnam.
Careful, Hudson. Next time, I might not stop Woods. We need to know what Perseus is planning for that nuke. Bark, anything else in that printout Bell and Woods pulled from the base?
There's mention of an excavation taking place in the Ural Mountains, Yamantau. Our insider within the KGB confirmed an active operation.
Yamantau. I thought Hudson and Weaver buried that place years ago.
We did.
Perseus wants to salvage the old mainframe.
Dragovich and Steiner must have left some good shit behind.
Steiner. Send me in Woods.
You're too close to this, Mason. We can afford 0 fuck-ups.
Bullshit. You know there's no one better for the job.
It's my call. I want Mason and Woods on this. Find that mainframe before Perseus does.
I'll contact our KGB insider, Belikov. He'll offer logistical support. Hell, Belikov may want to fly the chopper himself.
Whatever Perseus wants at Yamantau, I want it more.
The first building is just over that ridge.
Thanks, Dmitri. We'll radio when we found the mainframe.
Woods, you know what the KGB does to double agents. Yep. Da. If they win this season, it's almost worth facing the fighting squad. Hey, I've only 1 hour of fuel. So after that, you find yourself a new ride.
Come on, let's get moving, Mason.
That's our inside man.
Don't let the smell of cheap vodka and caviar fool you. Dimitri's kosher enough. He knows where all the bodies are buried. Hell, he buried half of them. Heads up. Scouts on the ridgeline. We should drop them now before we get any closer. Good kill. Nice. Let's keep moving. You take one fuckwit, I'll get the other. Or I'll take both fuckwits. It's a long way down. Let's hope the Reds know how to tie a zip line.
I hope this holds.
See? Piece of cake. Still standing after all these years. Barely. Good kill. See any more? Let's keep moving. Good kill.
План почти готов к работе на 7-м участке. Понял. Извлекли ЭВМ из хранилища данных и готовимся к транспортировке.
I think they said they're prepping the mainframe for extraction with the crane. Ugh, Soviet engineering.
Нужна помощь!
That's the doomsday bunker. We're getting close to the mainframe room. We'll cross the gate. Those Reds on the helipad are gonna be a problem. We'll take them out first.
I went first last time.
Why change it up now?
Whatever. Lost my damn gun. I see a tunnel down here. You'll have to find another way inside.
Copy that. Station.
Woods. Great. Damn, it's cold in here. Huh. Crossbow bolt.
Это место было заброшено после схода лавины. Но я слышал, что при раскопках были найдены тела с пулевыми ранениями.
Ты что, хочешь сказать, что наше начальство скрыло вражескую атаку на советской земле?
Лавины не стреляют в людей.
Я в любом случае. Нам пора идти.
Ты что, боишься привидений?
Я боюсь заблудиться и замерз нас насмерть слушаю твои идиотские байки. Давай уже закругляться с обходом.
Ничего необычного. Здесь тихо. Ничего необычного.
В любом случае, разве здесь есть что-то важное? Не вижу ничего ценного. Нужна помощь! Что? Мне нужно подкрепление! Стреляй! Выдвигаюсь! Врачай контакт! Мне нужно прикрытие! Идем! Следите за бомбами! Прикрой меня! Я выпустил! Раненый! Вперед! Береги, граната!
Yeah, I read you. You gotta be close.
Over here. With the ruckus you made, I'm surprised the entire Soviet Union ain't up our ass.
You been busy?
That's what they pay me for. In here, Chief. You see any dig sites? If I'm reading this map right, swing a few degrees to your left, more north. There, what's that?
Bingo.
Map says that crane is hanging near the old computer room. That's where we need to go.
Have you found the mainframe?
There's a big crane on the west side of the base. Have your winch ready.
Excuse me? My winch?
Sorry, you're breaking up. They got a crane, we got a chopper.
Dimitri, we're pinned down. Can you give us air support? Copy that. extraction site. Are you ready?
We see you, Dimitri. Hold on. Let's go, Mason. Mason, we gotta get down there now.
Мне нужно укрытие! Подбегай!
Keep moving. Is the mainframe big? Because if it's too big, we can't lift off.
No. It's regular size. Keep moving. Enemy moves in place. Pick up the pace, Mason. Moving. Dimitri, we're in position. Lower the winch.
Loading.
Locked in, Dimitri. Take us up.
Going up.
Oh, shit! Careful up there!
This weight is most uncooperative.
Come on! Pick up the base, Belikov!
Everyone,